Did you guys wear gloves? I did. What are we? Angela?
Hi, everyone, and welcome to HopperHacks 2022. The Wix team at Stony Brook University is so happy to have you. Now I'll be going over some introductions. So Women in Computer Science, or Wix, is an organization whose mission is to provide support to women in the field of computing and improve women's involvement in the field through professional and social events. We aim to make computing inclusive for all. Anyone can join our club regardless of major and gender. You may have previously attended our past hackathon, Hack Health. As this is our 7th annual hackathon, the Wix team decided to expand our goal for our hackathon to cover topics beyond health and wellness. We are so excited to welcome you to our first HopperHacks, a 24-hour-long social good focused hackathon devoted to encouraging students to make an impact on relevant social issues around the world today, such as mental and physical health, diversity and inclusion, and more, all by applying their technical skills. We aim to provide a safe and comfortable environment for undergraduate and graduate students of any background and skill to participate in. Now we would like to introduce all the eBoard members who have been working really hard on this event for the past few months. So hi, I'm Tina. I'm the president of Women in Computer Science.
Hi everyone, my name is Serena and I'm the vice president of Wix.
Hello, I'm Sammy and I'm the secretary of Wix.
Hello, my name is Jendi. I'm the treasurer of Wix.
Hello, I'm Christina. I'm public relations of Wix.
Hey, I'm Ashley. I'm the event committee chair.
Hello, I'm Kayla. I'm the graphic designer of Wix.
Hello, I'm Jenny and I'm part of the event committee at Wix.
Hi, my name is Choi. I'm also an event committee member of Wix.
Yay. Okay, so next up is event information. If you have not signed in, please do so. The link to the sign-in form is on our HopperHacks Discord server. Signing in helps our club make more events like these. We would greatly appreciate it. And if you don't have access to the HopperHacks Discord server, please email wix@cs.stonybrook.edu. I'll be going over other information about the event now, so don't go away. Here is the schedule for the event. HopperHacks started today, February 12th at 9 a.m., and hacking will end on Sunday, February 13th at 9 a.m. As you can see, we have many exciting workshops and activities planned. For most of today, we will have workshops offered both in person and online, so make sure you take a look at the schedule. As a reminder, the in-person component of HopperHacks will end at 8 p.m., and everything after that will be virtual. The winner of the Tetris tournament will also receive a prize, which will be happening at 10 p.m. So here's the schedule, and we will be using these platforms throughout the event. Discord will be used for all announcements with event links. If you have any questions for mentors, volunteers, or eBoard, we will also be active here to answer any questions. YouTube will be used for the opening ceremony as we're using now, and the closing ceremony as well for tomorrow. Zoom will be used for workshops and online activities. If you are participating virtually, we welcome you to be active in these Zoom calls. So ask questions and interact with the workshop presenters. Of course, please remember to be respectful to other hackers and our activity and workshop presenters during these Zoom calls. Aside from our workshops and activities, we also have 2 mini contests happening during the event. Winners will receive an additional prize and will have their prizes and swag shipped domestically if they cannot pick it up at Stony Brook. The first is a photo contest where you take a photo during HopperHacks, whether it be with your team, your setup, or during a workshop. The second is the Hopper drawing contest. For this contest, you will need to draw the Women in Computer Science at Stony Brook University's mascot, Hopper. As you can see here, Hopper is a robot bunny, and contest submission forms will be on Discord and winners will be announced at the closing ceremony. So now I'll pass it on to Sabrina to share more information about our company sponsors who made it possible.
Thank you, Tina. Now we would like to give a big thank you to our company sponsors. Let's get some chats and thank yous. Our first gold sponsor is Kitware, and we have the CEO, Lisa, here to talk about Kitware. Take it away, Lisa.
Sabrina, thank you, Tina.
I don't think we hear you here in person. Just one moment, Lisa.
Okay. And I have some slides to share if I could be allowed to share my screen.
Sorry, we're still experiencing some difficulties, Lisa.
Problem.
Can you try again, Lisa?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
All right, and would it be possible for me to share some slides?
Yeah, you can share some slides.
I can't do that until you stop sharing yours there. Okay, thanks. Can you see my slides all right? Can you hear me? Okay. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Tina. I'm happy to be here representing Kitware. I'm thrilled to see what everybody is going to do during this hackathon. This is a really wonderful event, and thank you to everybody in the Women in Computer Science Club that has put it together. I also want to thank everybody for the opportunity to be here and speak to you briefly this morning. I'll start by introducing myself quickly. My name is Lisa Avila. I'm the CEO of Kitware. I'm also a alum of Stony Brook. I was there in 1986 to 1994 while I did my bachelor's, master's, and PhD. After that, I moved upstate here to the just north of Albany area to work at GE's Research and Development Center. About 4 years later, I and 4 of my coworkers left the Research and Development Center to start Kitware. So that was in 1998. And our mission here at Kitware is very similar to what you're doing there during this hackathon today. It's to advance science and technology, share those results with the world, and have a positive impact. Here at Kitware, we work in 5 main areas of research and development: computer vision, data and analytics, scientific computing, medical computing, and software solutions. Our work needs to scale from mobile devices up through supercomputers, and it also needs to work on both desktop and web platforms. Remember that our mission is to share our results with the world, and we do that primarily through open source platforms that we develop. And here's just a sampling of some of the ones that we work on. The interesting thing here on this list is that some of the platforms like BTK, ITK, Paraview, and CMake are likely older than many of you here in this event. It actually takes quite a bit of passion and dedication to keep software platforms going for 20, 25 years. And that is also due to really good software architecture, community building, documentation, and above all, testing. So make sure you always pay attention to those aspects of software development. As a company, we've grown quite a bit since 1998, when we had just the 5 founders at Kitware. Today, we have more than 230 employees worldwide. Those employees are working on some pretty advanced research and development projects. So about 65% of them have a PhD or master's degree. Most of our work is for the US federal agencies. Our biggest customers are the Department of Health and Human Services, where we do medical research in areas such as surgical training, surgical simulation, and surgical planning. We work with the Department of Energy on high performance computing and in situ simulation. And we work with the Department of Defense in areas such as deep learning, activity recognition, and threat detection. So I invite you to check out Kitware's website if you'd like more information about us as a company. We have career opportunities that you can find there. We have locations here in upstate New York, in North Carolina, in the DC area, in Minneapolis, in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and over in Lyon, France. So there's probably a place you might be willing to go to. You can also find more about our open source platforms there, and those are a really great opportunity if you're looking for something to get involved with to build up your resume. You can feel free to reach out to me. There's my email address, and I'll also be on the Discord channel. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Lisa. So our second gold sponsor is Market Access, and Market Access is a financial technology company that has created a marketplace that makes it easier to trade bonds, promoting price transparency, more competition, and greater choice. With over 1,600 institutional participants in their platform, they have created the broadest and deepest liquidity pool. Market Access wants to use their technology and vast electronic network to make global markets work better for the people who depend on them. Now, onto our second silver sponsor, Twilio. Twilio powers the future of business communications by enabling phones, messaging, and more to be embedded into web, desktop, and mobile software. Twilio has also been working on Twilio Quest, which we have a workshop for later, an educational video game designed to teach a new generation of developers how to change the world with code. From learning how to use your terminal to coding in Python, JavaScript, and contributing to open source projects, Twilio Quest will help you develop practical engineering skills. Now, our first bronze sponsor, HopperHacks. HopperHacks started in 2002 and has grown over the years to encompass multiple product lines of memory modules, solid-state drives, USB flash drives, headsets, and mouse pads. The products have been used by top-rated gamers, tech enthusiasts, and others around the world. For our second sponsor, we have SupplyHouse.com. SupplyHouse.com is an online retailer and wholesaler of plumbing, heating, and HVAC equipment and accessories. Now we have our in-kind sponsors. Our first in-kind sponsor is Wolfram Research, an American multinational company that creates computational technology. Wolfram will be also sponsoring additional prizes for some of the prize categories. They will be providing a one-year subscription to Wolfram 1 Personal Edition and a one-year subscription to Wolfram Alpha Pro. Our second in-kind sponsor is UltraPress, and the t-shirts that you guys are wearing right now, they helped us with them. Our third in-kind sponsor is Sticker Meal, who helped us with the HopperHacks stickers. Our fourth in-kind sponsor is Echo3D. Echo3D, we also have a workshop for later on, is a cloud platform for 3D, AR, and VR that provides tools and server-side infrastructure. More information on their platform is in the Discord event info channel, and they also have an Echo3D help channel in the Discord server where there is a representative who can help you to learn more about their platform and using it in your project. Next is Balsamiq. Balsamiq is a company that makes UI design accessible to business owners, product managers, business analysts, developers, agencies, and anyone getting into UX. Balsamiq is also providing a special code that gives all attendees a 90-day extended trial, which is on our Discord event info channel. Finally, we have our in-kind sponsor, DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean makes it simple to launch in the cloud and scale up as you grow, whether you're running one virtual machine or 10,000. They have a seamless management of infrastructure with droplets, manage databases, spaces, Kubernetes, load balancers, block storage, and one-click apps. DigitalOcean spans across 12 data centers in 8 global markets. Customers love DigitalOcean because of its simplicity, community, service, and open source components. You can try DigitalOcean by scanning this QR code for a $100 60-day free trial, or simply go to DigitalOcean link shown here. For HopperHacks, DigitalOcean is also providing a $250 credit to each winning team.
Okay, that's a lot of sponsors. And thank you, Sabrina, for that incredible run through. Now I would like to introduce our guest presenters that are presenting for HopperHacks who are hosting some amazing workshops. First up, we have Professor Danling Jiang with a blockchain workshop at 3 o'clock, Christina Mata with a data visualization workshop at 4 o'clock, Anna with a security workshop at 5 o'clock, Ryan with a 3D modeling workshop at 7 o'clock, Eric with a Discord bot workshop at 11 o'clock, and Amara and Josias with a Notion workshop at 12 a.m. Now, all of these workshops are in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, or EST or EDT. So for those of you tuning in live from a different time zone, make sure you're converting to the right time so that you aren't missing any of these. The event schedule is also uploaded on our Discord group under the event info channel. For each workshop or activity you attend, you will receive an extra entry into the HopperHacks raffle. There will be 7 raffle winners in total. 6 winners will receive a special Wix X Twilio swag bag, and 1 person will receive a super duper cool HyperX headphone. Now, I know enough of this stuff. I know you guys really want to know what we have in store for prizes, so I'll hand over the mic to Jackie.
Thank you, Sammy. Okay, let's move on to our prize categories. So first up is our best beginner hack. Our 2 judges for this category are Yulia Astapova and Joe Gao. Yulia is a data scientist at the New York City Department of Education, and Joe is a software developer at Feather Systems. Both of them are previous Stony Brook Wix alumni, so please give them a warm welcome back to Stony Brook University. Next up is the best diversity and inclusion hack category. Our 2 judges for this category are Arpita Arbrol and Kitty Liu. Arpita is a software engineer at Disney Streaming, and Kitty is a TTS production support analyst at Citi. Both of them have been previous Stony Brook Wix presidents. So welcome back, presidents. Judging for the best entertainment hack is Jacqueline Zen and Annie Liu. Jacqueline is a product designer at Peacock TV. Professor Liu is an instructor in the Stony Brook Computer Science Department. For the best environmental hack, the judges are Mindy Wu and Professor Balasubramanian. Mindy is a software engineer at Google and a Stony Brook Wix alum. Professor Balasubramanian is a professor in the Stony Brook Computer Science Department. For the best finance hack, our 2 judges for this category are Melanie Logan and Jason Huang. Melanie is a technology associate at Morgan Stanley, and Jason is currently a grad student at Columbia University. Both of them are Stony Brook Wix alumni. Up next is the best health hack category. Judging for best health hack, we have Yang Yang, a software engineer at Citrix, and Professor Jane, a professor in the Stony Brook Computer Science Department. Okay, finally, last but not least, we have the best use of Twilio hack. Our 2 judges for this category will be directly from Twilio itself. Joe Nash and Lizzie Siegel are both developer educators at Twilio, so make sure to check it out and use Twilio to receive some super cool prizes for your project.
Now here are some points to remember. Competing is optional. You do not need to work on or submit a project. You can just have fun and attend the events. If you are competing, you can also attend the events. There are a variety of technical and fun activities to pick up new skills or de-stress. Choose which ones you want to go to. You do not have to attend all of them. However, fill out the sign-in forms for each event you attend so that you will be entered into a raffle for the Wix X Twilio swag bags or the headset. Refer to the FAQ on the HopperHacks website for more information, and do not be afraid to ask questions. Volunteers, mentors, and Wix eBoard will be around to help you with anything you need, including technical help, team help, and more. If you still need a team, introduce yourself in the Teammate Search Discord channel. You can also come to the team building activity happening at 10 a.m. in 10 minutes on Zoom, where you can meet in a talk to attendees. Wix eBoard members will also be present with guiding questions and hackathon tips. We will also give examples of past hackathon projects for inspiration. So here's some tips. Google things like technologies and libraries that can help you with your project. There are a lot of resources out there. Watch YouTube tutorial videos, another great resource to learn something new. Google your error messages. Stack Overflow is very helpful. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's okay to not completely finish your project. Hackathons are a time crunch. So that's all for the opening ceremony. Thanks so much for tuning in. Good luck, hackers, and remember to have fun. I hope you have a great time.